Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to change Tinder password. So for that you must have the application, you must be logged in. I already have both, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Tinder application. So once you tap on the Tinder, you'll get to this page where you'll have to go and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. So once you tap on the profile icon, you'll have to go and tap on the settings icon at the top right. You'll get to this page where you can see various options. So now changing password means to change the phone number in Tinder. So you'll have to go and tap on the phone number. So once you tap there, you'll have to tap on update my phone number. So here you'll have to go and type on the new phone number. So once you're done, you'll have to tap on continue and a code will be sent. You'll have to go and type your verification code and tap on continue. Here you can see how your phone number has been updated, which means your password has been updated in Tinder. So that is how you update your password in Tinder. That is it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining in.